tour of Wiley Hall, but we're really not. I'm just going to zoom around this step. We're going to get a picture of this voting place out here. Escape from Wiley Hall. They'll never catch me. Outside mirror. Possibly he's in one of those rooms. We're going to enter Wiley Hall. We're going to hide. Oh, there it is. There it is. Birds on the lawn. Kirk and I were out here just today, early this morning, looking through the telescope. And there we go. Vote here, precinct 21. That number right there is 7 times the amount of people they've had vote. And like Ken said, one of those guys were turned away. So, well, that's Elsie Road. Ah, here we have an airplane. I'm in a little trouble. Little turbulence in the atmosphere. He's coming over Windsor. Can we get a picture of Windsor? Oh no! Whoa! He flew right out of it. He's gonna hit that tree limb. Watch out! Oh my gosh! Zooming in and out. Watch out for the squirrel. He's going in. Oh, he's gonna land in Wiley or in Windsor Field there.